Ooh, look at that. Is that the moon and the sun? Or is that just the sun? It looks like the sun is originating from another part. That's awesome. That is super awesome. Good motorcycle morning. I don't know where y'all live, but I'll tell you what. North Carolina has some pretty skies. Pretty, pretty skies. I have been to other places. Maybe it's because in other places I'm usually on vacation, or you don't have to go to work, so you don't have to get up quite as early. Not work, maybe it's usually a convention or something that starts at 9-10 o'clock during the day, so you don't have to get up so early. Maybe it's because I'm up close to sunrise and always going home at sunset, stuff like that. Maybe that's why the sky is so pretty. But I swear everywhere else I go, as of yet, the skies just don't compete with North Carolina. I'm a little biased, but just saying. Yeah. Leaves are so pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Pretty little leaves. Pretty little leaves. Pretty little leaves. What was that? See? Freaking minivans with mini fans in them, with those infotainment systems. They just hit the stoplight and turns green, nothing happens. Ooh, turns yellow, they see that motion and they go. Leave us all sitting here. Infotainment people. But it's better they're doing it while they're stopped than going down the interstate. Hopefully they're only doing it while they're stopped and not while they're going down the interstate. Let's say that for all our sakes.
Hey, and thanks for watching SightWorks. Do you like tech reviews, moto vlogs, martial arts, and funny interviews? I know, me too! That's why you should subscribe below for more episodes from Exposed Tomato, Good Motorcycle Morning, Kick in the Head, and Meet the